from the fourth group, we will introduce about the Faculty of Tarbiyah.
She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something off a poster. That girl is a dime, they say. That girl is a gun to my holster, and she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod's like a replay.
Okay guys, before we talk about the anything, now we want to talk about the English language teaching department, and then come on, follow me. Right now I want to ask you about the TBI. Can you help me for it?
Okay, I will.
Miss, sorry ma'am, the first question is, can you tell me about the TBI?
Okay, TBI was stand in 2007. So at that time, the chief of TBI was Mr. Mulyadi SSMPD. We have one class at that time, but I think it's a big number of students at that time, and then at that time we are not yet EIN but still Stein Pamekasan, and this building it's not built at that time, so we have the formal building at maybe around, you know, the now is the building of TBI is used by the student of Syariah, and then after that, when it's the time we change into EIN, we move to this new building, Tarbiyah EIN Madura. TBI have many qualified lecturer. Most of it are women, including me, and then the lecturer was, I think it's very qualified because it's already have many recognition, national and international, and then it's also first graduate from state university from all over Indonesia. One of it is UM, UNISMA, UNESA, and so on. And then the second chief of Tadris Bahasa Inggris EIN Madura is Mr. Musleh. Maybe Mr. Musleh have around 10 years conducted this TBI, and then on 2022 it is Mr. Musleh is swapped into me, after Mr. Musleh, and then it goes to me as the chief of Tadris Bahasa Inggris EIN Madura. So we have lots of students, and then the student or the former student has already go to the better education or master degree from national and international. So some of my students have already go to Australia for Monash University, and also United States to go on their master degree. And also we have lots of students that already have a job in Indonesia and abroad, like in Malaysia, Australia, something like that. So I think Tadris Bahasa Inggris EIN Madura is a good choice for you if you concerned on your education in English.
Okay, and second question is, what is the vision of the TBI, ma'am?
Yeah, about the vision, yeah, let me tell you that the vision can be seen on first, you can see the banner. Yes, the vision and the mission. You can see it from the banner, and then the second, you can see it from the website, and then also from the TikTok, and also from the Instagram, and then YouTube. So all of it, please follow and subscribe, and then also WhatsApp group. And then sometime also we socialite the vision and mission from the PBAK, or the student orientation. Yeah, do you still remember?
Yes,
Yes, you still remember PBAK, or maybe the training and education, student training and education, atau di club yang kemarin itu. Jadi you can memorize it, that the vision of di Tadris Bahasa Inggris IAIN Madura itu adalah menjadikan prodi TBI sebagai pusat pendidikan profetik, ya. Profetik itu mempunyai nilai kenabian dalam menghasilkan pendidik bahasa Inggris yang religius, kompetitif di ASEAN tahun 2029 gitu. And that's the vision till now. The vision it's doesn't have require any revision yet. So the vision is that. So please memorize the vision, please, ya. Jadi tolong dibaca kemudian dihafalkan, ya.
Okay, ma'am. And the last question is, what is the best program in the TBI, ma'am?
Oh yeah, TBI, of course, based on the vision and the mission, is having the student, having the teacher to be, English teacher to be, that have a good qualification in English for sure, and also professional translation, and business on English education and tourism. Business on English education and tourism. That special qualification or special program of TBI. But that kinds of a qualification, it's going to still in the circumstances of prophetic. Jadi menjadi seorang guru yang mempunyai keahlian di bidang penerjemah yang profesional, dan juga praktisi bisnis di bidang pembelajaran bahasa Inggris dan pariwisata. Nah, itu program utama kita membentuk itu, ya. Dan tapi tetap dalam koridor mahasiswa yang harus mempunyai profetik. Oleh karena itu, that's why the subject in the curriculum, it's going to stay on that circumstances. Jadi kurikulumnya akan masih pada ruang lingkup itu, ya. Menjadi guru bahasa Inggris, kemudian penerjemah, kemudian pelaku bisnis edukasi bahasa Inggris dan turisme itu. Sehingga we are cooperate with HMPS, ya. Prodi bekerja sama dengan HMPS itu menggencarkan, we very focused on that kinds of product. So that's why even though we have the linguistic teaching and learning and literature, but we going to focus on that three qualification. Jadi prodi bekerja sama dengan HMPS. Nanti mata kuliahnya itu meskipun pembelajarannya itu terbagi menjadi 3, yaitu teaching learning, literature, and linguistic. Jadi tetap akan mengarah pada 3 hal tersebut yang saya sebutkan itu, that I have already mentioned. Jadi kan on HMPS ada better, it's going to divide it into teaching and learning, linguistic, and literature. Tapi di dalam itu mereka akan memfokuskan pada skill-skill itu tadi, penerjemah, kemudian pendidik bahasa Inggris, penerjemah, dan juga praktisi bisnis bahasa Inggris dan kepariwisataan itu tadi ya.
Okay, ma'am. Before I end this interview, can you give we the motivation?
Yes. Nah, remember that based on our vision and mission, that we want to produce, we want to have the outcome of a teacher to be a very qualified and a professional teacher to be, that have a side skill to become a professional translator, and also the business English education and tourism. Remember that on your mind, focus, so that along your journey on this Tadris Bahasa Inggris CIN Madura for approximately 4 years, that kinds of thing, it's some things that you have to notice. That's why you have to be very curious on your subject, on extra. Nah, nanti kan ada pembelajaran luar kelas berhubungan dengan itu. Nah, you are very curious on that, and also joining the seminar every semester dealing with that. Jadi kalau ada seminar tentang itu, kemudian pembelajaran luar kelas tentang itu, harus diikuti, sehingga when you go out from this campus, 3 hal itu ada di kalian. Jadi tidak hanya menjadi guru aja, tapi yang beberapa hal yang Ibu sebutkan itu benar-benar melekat di diri Anda sendiri. So studying something need to love, mencintai the study, and then need eagerness, butuh keseriusan, and need sacrifice, so you become a success person after this,
Okay, Miss, can you jargon first?
Okay. TBI ya.
Yes.
Tadris Bahasa Inggris CIN Madura. We
We
are
are
religious
religious
professional for brighter future. Yes.
Repeat again, ma'am.
Tadris Bahasa Inggris CIN Madura. We are religious professional for brighter future. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Just for it, ma'am, about the interview, and thanks for your time. Okay, guys, just it. Can I tell to you all about the Faculty of Tarbiyah, especially TBI, and the last I say, thanks for your nice attention and goodbye.